Halo guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my vlog. Today I am in Turkey and I am going to take you on one of the most famous and iconic from the public transportation here, especially for the tram. In this video, I depart from Yilbasi Station, one of the tram stop in Istanbul, in heading to the Sultan Ahmed, an area famous for being home to the Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque, two of the most magnificent historical buildings in the world. And before we get here, I will show you what the tram station in Turkey is like, from a buying ticket to the underground terminal onboarding the super modern and clean train. And the ticket costs around 200 liras Turkey and around 100 rupiah, depending on the exchange rate. But for the price, you can travel a lot, and it is also connected to the metro, so it is really easy to the transfer to other places. So interestingly, tram in Turkey are not just a mean of the transportation, but also part of the country is long history. For the first tram, appeared in Istanbul in 1971, and back then they were still pulled by horse. And then around 1914, an electric tram system was introduced, and then since then it has continued to develop and becoming one of the most efficient from the of transportation in major city like Istanbul. And so today, this system is managed by Metro Istanbul, ESS, and this is line cover, yeah, dozens of kilometers connecting various districts. And from the coast and the city center tourist areas like, yeah, Sultanahmet. So yeah, today in short, I'm riding a tram. Turkey is not just about, yeah, getting from a point A to point B. It is also a cultural experience that is a must try if you are here, and it's cheap, and it's so comfortable, and definitely unforgettable. So yeah, this is tram like MRT in Jakarta, and the price is so cheap, and then the tram is so comfortable and so clean. So from I go from the station Yilbasi to the Sultan Ahmed in Hagia Sophia and then Blue Mosque. Okay, guys, and then that is our exciting for the tram ride in Turkey today. Yeah, from the clean and modern atmosphere of the terminal, and then incredibly comfortable ride. So to the incredible views towards Sultan Ahmed, this was all truly amazing. And then, yeah, the riding the tram here is not just about transportation, but also about experiencing Turkish culture and then daily life. So, yeah, especially when you got off the station near Hagia Sophia, you immediately get the sense of the history and incredible beauty. And yeah, so guys, that's it. Is for this book. And if you enjoyed this video, uh, and then so you don't miss any more exciting from the Turkey and other countries. And thanks for watching until the end. Stay safe and stay positive and keep exploring the world with me, and see you in the next vlog. And Borus Surus. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.